Good morning, students. Last class completed the lesson. Here is the selfish chain part 1 and part 2 completed now. Go to grammar, textual grammar. Now children, all of you take your textbook. Page number 43. Complete the following sentences choosing the correct answer from the choice given below. Okay, first one. Both over the grass stood beautiful flowers like stars, and the peach trees broke into blossom. Refer to A. Autumn, B. Spring, C. Winter. Now here is season. Season is here there. Spring season. Answer is B. Spring season. Second question, children. The giant observed the children. The giant observed the children. What did the giant observe? A. Hiding in the garden, playing in the garden, dancing in the garden. What about the children? They are playing in the garden. So answer is here B. Playing in the garden. Next, page 44. Third one. The giant knew the spring had arrived from. He knew that the spring season visited his garden. So what? A. The song of linnet bird. B. The sounds made by the children. C. The blossoms in the garden. First the bird. After that. So when he heard a bird song that is near the window, so he realized that that is spring season came. So he answered the song of a linnet bird. Next, fourth one, children. The little boy, what? A. Called the giant by gesturing. B. Flung hands around the neck like this. Ran towards the giant. What did that is little boy? That is here hug. Flung hands like this around his neck. వెనక నుంచి వెళ్ళి ఆ చేతులతో తను హగ్ చేసుకోవడం ఉంది. That is called flung hands. B. Fourth one is B. Last one. What a marvelous sight this is. What a marvelous sight this is. Is said by who? Children. Little boy. Jane. Jane is there, here is there. See answer. Next, children. Phrasal verbs. Vocabulary part. Look at the following underlined phrase taken from the text and know the meaning. Okay, children. Peach trees that in the springtime broke out. Here broke out means here the meaning is come out. To come out. To come out. Broke out means here to come out. Here some that is begin with a break. Prelude begin with a break. Refer to a dictionary and find out the phrasal verbs beginning with break. With break. Here is break. That is how many words are given here? 2, 3, 4. Every word begin with a break. So break means a stopping there. That is okay. So first one, break away. First one here, break away. Next, break down. Second one, first one break away, second one break down. Third one, break into. Fourth one, break out. Break out. So children, you should note down first one, break away. Second one, break down. The bus broke down, that is stopped. Here, break into, that is the children, that is broke the glass into many pieces, broke into. Break out, that is spread out generally, yes. Broke out, the color broke out the particular area, spread. This is phrasal verbs begin with break. Here children, break, broke, broken. V1, V2, V3. Here is present tense, past and past participle broken. Okay, next B. So this is A. This is A. Break away, break down, break into, break out. Okay, break V1, V2 with conjugation. See that break V1, broke V2, broken V3. Here breaking V4. ing. So this is a present participle. Present participle. That is break plus ing. V plus ing. Next, children, B. Next, B. Pick out some more phrasal verbs from the play, The Selfish Gene. Generally, it's not break or any word. Generally, pick out. What about first one? Note down. Put up or blow over. Blow over. This is the lesson there. Here is. Next, put up. Next, third one. Look up. Next, fourth one, cover up. So these are extracted from the play, The Selfish Gene. These are all phrasal verbs. A combination, a verb plus preposition. Here, phrasal. A verb with preposition. A verb with preposition change its meaning, its original. So a combination of preposition, blow verb, main verb, preposition over, put verb, preposition up. Here look up and cover up preposition. For example, set up. Here is it gives a different meaning individually, but when it is in phrasal, so set up verb preposition, it means started. So it gives a different meaning what they had. It gives a different meaning. For example, gave up. Gave up. So it means here stop, especially our habits. Like he gave up smoking. He gave up means stop. He stopped smoking. So phrasal verb means a verb with a preposition. A verb with a preposition. Combination of verb with preposition. So here meanings, especially they should give, that is a different meaning what they have. Next children, page number 41, second Roman. Read the underlined part of the sentence taken from the text. This is a delightful spot. Here is a delightful spot. Delightful spot. Delight means here is a pleasure. That is, you're happy or you're pleasant. Or synonyms here. In the above sentence, delightful means pleasant. Pleasant or here is pleasure, that is means happy. Here is there. But the opposite means here antony. Antony means here opposite words. Antony means here word opposite in meaning. Word opposite meaning. Here that is a delightful, opposite here is gloomy. It is delightful. The opposite here is gloomy means sad. Darkness here is gloomy, sadness. Gloomy. Okay, opposite. Now children, page number 45. Here some contextual antonyms. See that. Now, underline sentences is given, that is underline. Nobody likes to be hell. Hell is there here. Nobody likes to be in hell. So we make a sentence. Everyone likes to be in paradise. First one, here, everyone likes to be in paradise. So here is hell opposite paradise. But we should make a sentence, especially as per context is given. Second one, you should be aware of foe. F-O-E. F-O-E. Here is there. So I met my friend last night. Here is opposite of friend. Friend opposite here is foe. Foe opposite here is friend. Third one, started. It started raining cats and dogs. Here is started means stopped. The police, third one. The police man stopped them. The policeman stopped them. Here is stopping. Stopping opposite here is stopped them. Next thing. Fourth one. She uncovered her head after she came out of the temple. Uncovered means not covered. So here is the sentence. He covered. He covered. Here is answer. His face with a towel. Here is covered, uncovered. Opposite is covered. Now last sentence, children. This is the nearest shop to my house. This is the nearest shop to my house. Nearest means farthest. Nearest means farthest. There is a medical shop in the distance, in the farthest. There is no doubt. There is a medical shop in the farthest corner. F-A-R-T-H-E-S-T. Farthest corner. Farthest corner. Farthest means distance. Now children, when that is I am explaining the lesson, here is in the distant farthest corner of the garden, of his garden. Farthest means ekado duranga. Nearest to farthest. Now children, see that these are the opposite words. Here is everyone likes to be in paradise. Paradise means hell. Opposite paradise. I met my friend last night. Here is four opposite friend is there. The policeman stopped. He has started, stopped there. He covered his face. What about opposite? Uncovered. Next, there is a medical shop in the, that is distance means here farthest, nearest means here farthest. Now children, page number 5, just here is match the following. So now match the words in column A with those in column B with similar meanings. Just I am going to write that is answers, just you should note down. 45 page number 45. Just I am saying that is the answers. Just you note down answers of your textbook, children. Textbook just like that. First one column A. First one here is C. Second one E. Third one Z. Then fourth one A. Fifth one D. Now sixth one here is J. Here option is sixth one. Here is J. Seventh one option F. Eighth one here is option B. Ninth one I. 10th one here is H. You know, these are answers of vocabulary. Page number 45 page. And question number here is 3. So this is a column A and column B answers. Now children, I think I shall discuss grammar by next class. Be ready with your textbook, pencil, textbook, pencil. You have to write, you have to note down. Thank you.